Cash App taxes review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see the Cash App taxes. So when you open up this particular link, which is cash.app/taxes, and this is where it will take you. Now you get to pay the or file the tax without paying any additional fees on Cash App. It is absolutely free, and you can also get a refund if you are eligible for it. Over here you can estimate your refund, you can also file the taxes, and also everything about it is in this one place. And also if you are eligible for the refund, then you would be getting it in less than 5 days. So this is their commitment, and in order to file for it, you can just simply click on this option of file now, and after that you have to follow the process. You can start filling up your W2 form, and this way you would be able to fill all the details, and you can also file state taxes on Cash App. But there is a condition: if you have worked in multiple states, then it would not be possible for you to file the state taxes on Cash App. And also there are some other conditions as well in order to file the taxes on Cash App. But it is absolutely simple. If you are confident in filing the taxes and you are looking for some easy process or the UI which is user friendly, then you can go with the Cash App and file the taxes. You can also estimate your refund by just clicking on this option. Then it would ask you to provide your Cash App phone number, basically ask you to log into your Cash App. This way they would be able to gather your information from Cash App and fill the details automatically. And this way you would be requiring just to fill the details which are necessary and are not there on Cash App. Also, if you have received more than $600 in foreign income, then you won't be able to file the taxes on Cash App. Also, if you are under 18, then you might not be allowed to file the taxes with Cash App. So these are some ways and conditions that you need to work around with in order to file the taxes with Cash App. And after that, it is absolutely smooth journey, as Cash App provides quite an easy path to figure it out and file the taxes. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.